In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the timeline feature in Monday.com. If you're looking to organize your projects visually and manage tasks more effectively, the Gantt chart view is a great tool to get started with. So let's dive right in and see how you can set this up in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log into your account. Simply click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. If you have a Google account, you can speed up the process by clicking on the Google button and selecting the account you wish to use. This will streamline your login process and bring you directly to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your board. Look to the left-hand panel where you'll see a list of your available boards. Click on the one you want to work with. This is where you'll be adding the Gantt chart view. Now, on the top of the page, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking on it will open a menu from which you can add different views to your board. From the options provided, select the Gantt chart view. This is a fundamental step as it transforms your timeline tasks into a visual format that is much easier to manage. With the Gantt chart view added to your board, the next step is to click on Gantt. This action will present your existing tasks within this new view, allowing you a fresh perspective on the timeline of your projects. This view is particularly helpful when you want to see the duration of tasks and understand their relation to each other, all in a single glance. Now you have your Gantt chart view ready, but what if you want to add new tasks? No worries. At the top of the view, you will see a New Item button. Clicking this allows you to add tasks or milestones to your timeline, enhancing your project management. In the Gantt view, you also have options to adjust the time frame of your timeline. You can switch between days, weeks, months, or even years, depending on the depth and scope of your project timeline. This flexibility allows you to tailor the view according to your planning needs, offering a dynamic way to track progress. And there you have it, a clear and concise method to use the timeline in Monday.com. By utilizing the Gantt chart view, you'll find that managing and visualizing your tasks becomes vastly more intuitive and efficient. Give it a try and see how it can transform the way you handle projects. Thank you for watching, and happy planning.